What's up, guys? Alright, we are in a season for football and pumpkins, and I figured, you know what, there's nothing more American than having pumpkin, football, and shotgun all together. So I decided to make a little fun video. Alright, let me show you what we're gonna do. Need more pumpkin. Uno más. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna try to put more air in these and make them, can you guys see me? Yeah, that's better. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put more air in these and get them really, is it called deflate or inflate? Inflate or deflate? Inflate, huh? So unlike Tom Brady, we're gonna put more air in these guys, so they're gonna look like they're about to explode almost. And I'm gonna make a big hole on top of these pumpkins, and I'm gonna stick them inside and shoot them with a 1 ounce slug out of a shotgun that I got. Okay, so let's see what happens. I'm not sure if they'll actually explode or what's gonna happen. I thought it'll be a cool experiment, so let's get to it. Another one. Okay, one more, throw it. Oh. Okay. That was too high. Alright, no more. I only have 2 hands.
It's a big hole. Big.
No, there's like sharp stuff on this thing. First, we're gonna need a thumbnail picture. That's what we're gonna do. All right. Leave in the comments, what do you guys think? Is the football gonna explode inside, or is it just gonna stay the way it is? Nothing's gonna happen. We don't know, we'll find out. Almost done. Okay, I think we are ready. That's good. All right, here we go. All right. I'm using these 12 gauge 1 ounce slugs from Federal and Mossberg 590A1. Let's see what happens. Tom Brady, this is for you. I'm a little bit scared to shoot this one. I really hope they explode. Oh boy. Alright, so it went in and out of this pumpkin. Hello. Right there. This is really weird. It shredded it. I didn't know. Why does it look like a spaghetti? Okay. That's the first one. And it put a big hole inside the football. Alright. Put that back in there. The second one, it got cut in half. And the slug is stuck in the pumpkin on the third one, right over there. Oh, what's this? Is this sharp? It's got some football piece on it, and look at the slug. Look what happened to it. Never seen it in this kind of shape. Completely deformed in a weird shape. All right, and there's that. Okay, so It looks like it was only 2. What do we do now? Do I have the Glock? I think I have the Glock with me. Do I? Let me check. I didn't have any other guns on me today, but I had different other ammo. So you guys seen me shoot these buckshots. These are the military grade 9 pellets. So let's shoot it with the buckshot, see what we get, okay? Whoa! It went through more? Okay. Do I have any pumpkin on my face? No? Went in and out. Any pellets inside? No. And then it went straight forward to the second one. Looks like some of them were coming out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or something. Did any get stuck inside this? No. Some holes. Deflated, but nothing. And then it hit our third one. Let me grab that football on the ground. Okay, so then it hit the third one. Looks like some went in. Oh, something just got dropped on the ground. That's one of the pellets. So it looks like there's no air inside the fourth one. The ball got destroyed. And there's some pellets inside. Right there. There's 1, 2, 3. Let me grab them. 1, 2, 3. There might be more, but I'm not gonna search more. But there they are. So these are the pellets. Looks like some of them came out. Okay, out of the fourth. Put a little dent on the fifth one, but they did not make it through. So it took 2 to stop a slug, and it took 4 pumpkins with football inside to stop a buckshot. So I think the buckshot did a little bit better job here right now. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed these results. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. You guys thought I'm done? All right. Let's see what happens. Something tells me this is not a good idea. I don't know. Well, that was a nice cut. Wow. And that's how real samurais did it. All right. So on this one, I'm gonna go straight down. I'm gonna put this one on top of this. Did you hear that? Did you hear that popping sound? Man, I'm good at this. I should just stop shooting and just cutting things in half. Look at this perfect cut. Not bad, huh? All right, throw it to me, and then I'm gonna slice it in half.
Where?
Just right in front of me over here. I'll catch it in the air. Go ahead. Hold on. All right, hit it. All right, so here we have our football. Look at the cut. There's that. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I'll see you guys next time.